Welcome to C++ Coding Ninja. Hello everyone, so today's tutorial is going to be about C++ basics. And C++ basics are, like everything that you need to know before you can start programming programs. So let's jump into the lesson. So the first thing you see here in the first line is hashtag include IOStream in between less than and greater than signs. So include just means like use the extension whatever's inside here. So IOStream means input and output stream. So for example, input is like for example, if the computer asks a question to the user and then the user answers it, the answer is known as the input. The output is what the computer gives to the user. Like for example, if I just click build and run, you can see here that the computer typed hello world, and that is what you need. So let's just go ahead and close that. Now underneath include IOStream is using namespace. So namespace is are like different sections. When you're going to make bigger programs like a game or something, or another project or a web application, then you're going to need to organize everything, and then we organize them into sections, namespaces. Underneath we see int main. Int main is the most important function in C++. If we delete int main, our program does not work. We get an error. Inside these brackets, curly braces, we see cout. And then we see between these chevrons, hello world. That is our text that we want to output. The texts are usually wrapped up in these double quotes, so that the computer doesn't get confused from what is a command and what is our just basic normal text. So as you can see here, after our text over here, we see end L. End L means end line. So normally if we just run our program, it shows hello world, except that they are in different separate lines. But if we just delete end L, delete that, then they're going to be right next to each other, just like that. Also, if you notice, there are semicolons in the end of each line. If I don't add a semicolon to each one of them, then the program is going to show errors everywhere. So we need to add them. Otherwise our program will not work correctly. And then after the text we see end L. End L means end line. So if we copy this, wait, that was not, I don't want to do that. If we go ahead and copy everything, copy, then we go for the next line and then paste, and then we run it, then we see hello world except that they are in separate lines. And also, just this is another very important thing. All of the lines they end with semicolon using namespace, the couts, and even return 0, which I'm just going to be talking about. So return 0 is like for example, after we run our program, the computer will give us a number depending on how our program went. So 0 means like everything worked successfully and perfectly fine and everything. However, we don't need return 0. We're just fine without return 0. This is not mandatory. And also, one thing I forgot to mention about int main is that we also don't need to use int. So if you like, you can just have main, and everything still works. Oh, and also, like again, when I was talking about return 0, it says over here process return 0 and other stuff. So that's basically all I have to tell you about C++. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified when I upload my next video.